Good morning, people around the world. Today, on August 25, 2019, we West Papuan freedom fighters protest on West Indonesian humanism to West Papua student people as like monkey and animals. So today we call to United Nations and Indonesian people and government, please recognize our right for self-determination, because we are not monkey. It's like Indonesian stigma.
You are that monkey.
Follow. We are not monkey.
We are the monkey.
We are no monkey. We are not animal. We are human being.
Yes, we are not monkey.
You are that monkey.
We are not animal.
We are not animal.
We are human.
We are human.
You are human.
We have right to self-determination. So today we have that United Nations recognize our right for self-determination immediately. Thank you.